In this video, I'm going to show you how to load my Presto card online and how to reload a Presto card online. By the way, if you run a business, Presto probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. To get started, go to the official Presto website at www.prestocard.ca. On the website, you'll find multiple options to manage your card, including reloading it with funds, purchasing a transit pass, or setting up auto-load for automatic top-ups. While you can also use the Presto mobile app for this process, I recommend doing it through the website because it gives you access to all the available options and is easier to manage. Once you're on the website, select the option that says I am a Presto user with an activated card. If your card isn't activated yet, go through the activation process first. After activation, the option to load your card should appear right away. Alternatively, you can navigate through the menu, select Presto Card, and then choose Load a Card. When you select the load option, you'll see different ways to add funds. You can choose to load a specific amount directly, purchase a transit pass, or set up auto-load so that your card automatically reloads when the balance is low. Auto-load is especially useful if you use your card frequently for daily or weekly transit trips, as it ensures you'll always have enough balance without having to remember to top up manually. After selecting the method and the amount you want to load, you'll need to sign in to your Presto account. You can sign in using your account credentials or by using your Presto card directly. Once signed in, confirm your payment method and complete the transaction. Your card will be reloaded instantly and ready to use for your next trip. Presto is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Presto offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review, covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.